last class we have completed the save course. Okay, the course how to save the batch. Okay, so you have to save the batch, so you have to make it as this one as a batch. Okay, right. So we have completed this course. This is one I have to make it as batch. This one also batch. Right. Okay. Now what you're going to this class, I'm going to make as a get batch. Okay, get mapping by the batch. So you have just copy this, paste it over here, get all badges, batch service, all badges. You create with all get all badges, all badges here, write it here. Now select this one, create the method on service. Okay, so here impl, you implement that. Here already we have created the method is a get all batch list here. Now what I'm going to do is here we have to get all the badges. So how to implement this one? We have to right. So let's go to the course sorry, course service IMPL. You have to just get the collection or pass it here. So you have right here. This one should be the batch DTO. Batch DTO. Okay, the batch DTO. You have write this one. Alt. Then can import the class. What's it? Okay, right. Batch DTO. Okay. Now here we have to implement this one as a this all things are sorry, not this is not a save detail, it's a batch detail. We have to sorry, I have a grand simple mistake. So I have a problem with here batch detail. This one from of course it is a batch detail here. Batch detail you have to write service you have to go to the batch detail. Not the course detail, you have to write is a batch detail. So that's the problem is happen. Okay. Right, so what's the problem? Right, so here also the service batch service also you have created the not this, you have to get rid of this line. Now let's go for here. Right, now here select again, you have to create the thing is here. Now we have to implement the, if you are wrongly done, you have to make this implementation part like this. Okay, you have to first tell them which controller. Okay, so here now it's okay, now it's working. Earlier I have put it as a batch, I just copy and paste it, that's why the problem occurred. Now what you're going to do is here I'm going to uh, list of the causes. Copy this, paste it over here. Here first what I'm going to post batch TTO. So your batch TTO, you have to write this one here. Batch TTO, this is a batch, the entity batch. Okay, so you have to we have to search via the batch report to search the record. Okay, so we have batch report as a batch with the batch report to search the record and fetch into the here. So the get badges, right? So batch DTO, this is a batch DTO list. right. So here this one should be the batch. Here this badges get badges. Here one by one we have to get it. Okay, here find all the batch details. Get one by one. Here this already we have explained this all things. So you don't need to explain again. This one also we have changed as a batch. The batch detail. We have to find the record from the database and we have to convert them to the DTO format and send it back to the front end. Okay, so the we have find the if you have requested the get I need all the records from the batch table, so we have get the help of the report to find all function to get all the records from the batch table and pass it to here. Now your record is coming successfully, but we have to show into the front end, which is a DTO format. So we have to create like this DTO format. You have set it right. So here the batch, your batch, yeah, your batch here get badges. So batch DTO, here you have got the batch DTO. So you get one by one. So yes, batch, you have to get this one as batch dot get batch ID. Yeah, just batch ID. Uh, Second one is batch name. Okay, the batch name. Third one is a course, get course. Third one is a get starting date. Course which is a what's the problem? Course which is a integer. Sorry. DTO, what's the problem? DTO, batch DTO, this is a integer, so let's things why it's happened. Uh, why is there a the problem is here. This one we have to make this one as a why this a problem is occur. We have a mistake. So here we have a right. Okay. The problem is coming. We have to take it as a object. We have to make it as this one. Here the course. We have to make it as this one course. All present. Okay. So here the entity. You can see the as you can see the batch table here. This all thing. The course private. You just copy this one. You have to paste it over here. This batch DTO because it is a you have to put it here. Get rid of this line. So why you have to get the collection? We have to show it to the front end. Now here it's get where I go away. Now here we have the batch list. We have to pass it over here, right? So it's a batch DTO, right? So the batch list we have write it over here. That's it. Now let's check it whether it's working fine or not. Okay, there's no problem. So when the request is coming, batch controller, so write it a postman, save DTO, the same thing. API batch, get all badges. Here, why I put here, it's working successfully well. Here we have a two badges. Here we have three badges we have added last time. Batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. Here the course id is 2, the course name Java, this all things are there, duration, all things are here. It's coming from the course JSON format. It's a JSON object. Here we have write like here. What I did here is when you save the record, you have write it here. This one should be our student management system batch, okay, DTO, which is a integer course ID. When you view the record, we have to get a collection of the records, so that we can't give it a int course. Okay, so here you can see the entity. What I did is we make the relationship what the course and batch, so that we have made the relationship here one to many relationship, so that we have to write here course ID. Here we have the collection course. Okay, so you have to get all the courses like this. Okay, if it is a relevant course ID, but the course information also we have to load from the course through the course entity. That's how we have to show it here. Okay, got it, isn't it? You have what I say. Okay, so then only we have to when you need this information of the courses, instead of the course ID we have to display the course name. You have to call it this course name. You have to get it key and value part. You have to get like this. That's how it's working. Okay, so that we have to write like this. That's why you have to get them here in course batch DTO. You have to get like this private course. Okay, this is it's very essential things. Okay, how to join two tables and get the records and everything. It's very essential stuff. I hope you understood things. I will get touch in my next video tutorial. Keep watch my video tutorial. Keep if you like my channel, subscribe me. Thank you for watching.